In a recent RM Sotheby's London auction, a meticulously restored 1951 Land Rover Series I achieved a high-profile sale price of £59,800, approximately $76,000. This classic vehicle, originally produced on an 80-inch wheelbase and built in the early post-war period, represents one of just 25 units restored as part of Land Rover's exclusive Reborn program. Designed to return iconic models to near-original condition, the Reborn program highlights Land Rover's dedication to preserving automotive heritage, meeting high demand among collectors for historically significant vehicles. The auctioned Land Rover Series I started its life in 1951 and was dispatched to Brisbane, Australia, where it was used for rugged, off-road purposes. The Reborn restoration included authentic updates and modern amenities specified by the buyer, such as front and rear leather-trimmed seats, a passenger-side windscreen wiper, and a heating system, improvements that enhance both comfort and functionality while maintaining the model's original spirit and resilience. Aesthetic touches, including the original bronze-green paint paired with tan canvas tilt, amplify its vintage appeal. Land Rover Classic, the automaker's heritage division, launched the Reborn program in 2016 to commemorate the roots of the Land Rover Series I, ensuring every detail was precisely aligned with factory specifications. This particular vehicle's restoration work, initiated after a long deposit waitlist in 2017, underscores the enduring appeal of Land Rover's rugged design among collectors and enthusiasts who value historical authenticity alongside modern craftsmanship. This sale, part of the larger Dean Cronsbine collection auction at RM Sotheby's, captured attention due to the model's scarcity and historical significance. With the rising popularity of classic off-roaders, models like the Series I Reborn have gained traction, appreciated for their nostalgic charm and continued relevance to today's collectors.